Llansteffan Castle to shoot some B-roll for a project I'm working on. So I thought I'd bring you all with me for the ride. Here's the castle. You can see that. Probably a long way for the GoPro. Here we are, 30 miles an hour now. You know it's here somewhere. It's an incredible beach. It's massive. Not sure where that goes. I think that goes up into some woodland. Anyway, right. I've swapped out to the camcorder now, and my monopod. Obviously, I've had to jam my road micro down into the strap there because I forgot to bring my angle bracket. Those steps I showed you earlier, don't go up those. That takes you into the woods and it's all the way up to the castle. With some shots like this, I'll just shoot without movement here, and I'll zoom and animate in post. Alright, well I've put the wide angle adapter on the camcorder now. I just found I wasn't able to get enough in, and so this is a pretty wide camcorder anyway. Gives me 25mm, but with this wide angle I think I'm down to about oh damn, I'd have to work the math, about 18 I think, something like that. Another thing you should always make sure you do is give yourself plenty of room to move. In other words, if I start a pan over there, I hold it for about 5 seconds before I start to move, and I'll come round, and then I stop again. I give it 5 seconds, at least 5 seconds, because there's nothing worse than having a pan shot that just abruptly stops and then cuts straight into something else. So give yourself a little bit of time, a little bit of space to maneuver in the edit. I'm nearly done here now. I should mention too, what helps a lot with this sort of thing is having a monopod or a tripod like this one with a fluid head. So you've got nice smooth dampened movements up and down and on the pan. That'll give you those nice smooth movements. And as I said, don't forget, after every scene, every pan, stop for 5 seconds. Give yourself a little bit of space when you start 5. Then start your movement. Stop. Give yourself another 5. And then stop the recording. Right, well, finished up here now. I'm just about to head back. It's a very interesting place. Bit of a problem trying to get up to the castle because I went the wrong way. You end up in the woods and I ended up walking around in there for about half an hour. Anyway, I found it eventually. I hope I've got some reasonable shots of the castle. Anyway, that's it for now.